Welcome to SREC. Department of Robotics and Automation presents a Center of Excellence in Smart Factory/Industry 4.0 in collaboration with Wipro Pari, Win Automation. An ABB robot with a training cell to perform palletizing, pick, and place operations is situated.
Introducing the HCR5 Cobot, your ultimate collaborative robot solution, designed for the future of manufacturing. The HCR5 Cobot is here to revolutionize your production process. Say goodbye to repetitive and mundane tasks. With the HCR5 Cobot, your team can focus on what they do best, while our robot handles the rest.
Key features such as
Seamless collaboration, precision and speed, safety first, easy programming.
Cobots have data collection capabilities for real-time monitoring and process analysis, enabling optimization and increased efficiency in production. The Delta XS robot with Basler camera is a powerful automation system for high-precision tasks. It integrates a Delta-style robot with a Basler camera for vision-guided applications. Enhanced quality control, efficient pick-and-place, error detection. Precise positioning, flexibility for diverse tasks, and data collection for process optimization are the advantages.